So today I'm going to talk about how to do a slappy backside hurricane grind. So this grind is when you approach the curb backside, then you slide 180 and get your back truck onto the curb and your front truck over the curb. Then you just grind and you just pivot off. This grind is much easier on a well-maintained curb, so it's when it's like super waxed, really smooth and buttery, as well as the part where your wheel touches the sidewalk. That part needs to be waxed or smooth as well. The curb that I'm skating isn't well so maintenance like that, so the results may vary, but essentially it's still a slappy backside hurricane grind, just at a much slower pace. Alright, so for foot positioning, my front foot is in the front just like that. Nothing special about it. But for my back foot, it's going to be like this, with this sort of angle. So the toes is on the tail while the heel is after the pocket. And the reason this being, I find it easier like this to really push that back truck onto the curb when you're doing the 180. And then when you want to do this, you're going to want to bend your knees. It makes it a lot easier, more force to really force that truck onto the curb. Plus, you want to make sure that when you push it, it goes out in front of you instead of you're over it or behind it. Because if it's not in front of you, you're not going to make it. Alright, so to do this, you want to get your board in a 45-degree angle towards the curb. When you get to around here, what you want to do is just slide with your back foot, bend your knees, kind of push this out in front of you, and get the truck just like this. Where it wants to be like this, with the back truck onto the curb, and with the front truck over the curb. You just grind, and after that, you can just pivot off. Just like that. So if you don't manage to push that back foot in front of you to get that truck onto the curb, what will happen is that your board's going to catch onto here, just as if you're trying to do a board slide, and you'll just go flying off. If you find it hard to pivot off when you're trying to exit the grind, you can just ride off it, so it'll come out fakey. It might feel a little bit weird, but you know, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Yeah, so that's how you do a slappy backside hurricane grind. Hopefully you get them, practice them enough, and pretty soon they'd be smooth. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.